silver medalist. And in this category, the gold medal goes to Adarsh from India! And to present the medals, may I please invite respected Shri Rajat Kaushik ji, Treasurer of Yugasana Bharat. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से सबका स्वागत। और क्या बात है, ये ब्रॉन्ज मेडल देते हुए लानेश्वर को श्रीलंका से। Come on everybody! हम इंडिया वाले हैं, हम तालियां सबके लिए बजाते हैं, कंजूसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते हैं। The silver medalist Nataraja K from Malaysia and the gold medalist Adarsh from India. क्या बात है, यही जज्बा है, यही जज्बा है जिससे कि और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह देखने को मिले। और जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, उनके लिए भी एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। And to present the souvenir, may I please invite Mr. Chandra? Mr. Chandra Galati ji हमारे बीच में mascot souvenir प्रदान करते हुए सबसे पहले लानेश्वर from श्रीलंका, the bronze medalist. Come on everybody, मैंने जैसा कहा कि इंडिया वाले सबके लिए दिल खोल के तालियां बजाते हैं, तो here we go and amazing, a very proud moment for all of us.
Yay! Yeah!
And to present the token of honor to Chandra ji and Rajat Kaushik ji, may I please invite Dr. Jaideep Arya ji and Dr. Sanjay Malpani ji. Very beautiful mementos and mascot souvenirs. जी हाँ, तालियां यहाँ थोड़ी डबल हो जानी चाहिए क्योंकि हम उन्हें सम्मानित कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने बच्चों को सम्मानित किया है। एक बार सब and here joining us for the group picture.
I would like to request Mr. Umesh Narang, Treasurer, Asian Yogasana, to come forward and present the awards to the gold medalist and the silver medalist. The silver medalist in backward band individual category is Bengutai from Mongolia. And the gold medalist in backward band individual category is Vishal Vishnugala from India. Presenting also the souvenir and mascots to both the winners in backward band individual category. Now we would like to honor our distinguished guest. Dr. Jaideep Arya ji will come forward and honor our distinguished guests. जोरदार तालियों के साथ एक बार फिर से स्वागत। ऊर्जान्वित बने रहने चाहिए। Thank you so much, both the winners.
To Sarita Maya and Tilu Maya from Bhutan. Sarita Maya and Tilu Maya from Bhutan. invite Mr. Ram Chawla ji.
Yay! Yay!
Chief General Manager of Yogasana Bharat. The bronze medal goes to Akunowa Dinara and Anar Metova Tanzilia. Silver one goes to Sarita Maya and Tilu Maya. And the golden medal goes to Amita Kumari and Archana Chopra from India. Many congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations.
And to present the mascot souvenir, may I please request Satish ji to come forward. Shri Satish ji, I would like to request you to present the mascot souvenirs to our winners. Sandeep ji. Sandeep Singhal sir, may I please invite you to present the mascot souvenirs. And first we are presenting it to the bronze medalist, Akunowa Dinara and Anar Metova Tanzilia. From Uzbekistan, Amita and Archana from India, Tilu ji and Sarita ji from Bhutan. And may I please request respected Jaideep Arya ji to come forward and present the token of respect. जी हाँ, आपकी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट बिल्कुल भी डाउन नहीं होनी चाहिए. Come on everybody, please put your hands together.
सारे खिलाड़ियों को बेसब्री से इस क्षण का इंतजार बना रहता है. हफ्तों, महीनों और सालों की मेहनत के बाद ये एक हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट आता है उनकी जिंदगी में. श्याल कृष्णा भाई, फटाफट है, क्या बात है, लाजवाब. ऐसी स्पीड में आने चाहिए सबके सब. बहुत खूब, जोरदार तालियों के साथ एक बार फिर से स्वागत. I would like to request Ashutosh ji, President of Japan Yoga, to come forward and present the awards. The President of Japan Yogasana to please come forward and present the awards to the silver and the gold medalist in forward bend individual category, male. First to the silver medalist, Belgutai from Mongolia, winning the silver medal at Second Asian Yogasana Sport Championship. And to the gold medalist, Shial Krishna Bhai from India. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत, अभिनंदन इन विजेताओं का. स्वर्ण पदक जीता है इन्होंने. Ashutosh ji will be presenting also the mascot souvenirs to both the winners from Mongolia and India. Belgutai from Mongolia and Shial Krishna Bhai from India. What a heartwarming moment. Amazing. Thank you so much. Stay there. Dr. Jaideep Arya honoring Ashutosh ji of Japan Yogasana. much and many congratulations to both the winners. For the gold medal category, we have Anurag Malik from India.
Wow!
To present the awards to both the medalists, we have Mr. Shamil Mon from Kerala Yogasana. Please step forward and present the medals. The Secretary of the Kerala Yogasana, presenting the awards to the silver medalist from Mongolia, Belgutai. And to the gold medalist, Anurag Malik from India. Presenting the award at 2nd Asian Yogasana Sports Championship. Thank you so much, sir. To honor our distinguished guest, Dr. Jaideep Arya will move ahead and present the souvenir and a memento.
Yay!
ये हो गए, ये तो हो गए.
Many congratulations. And the next category is Artistic Yogasana Pair Male Senior B. And in this category we have only gold medalist, and that is this golden medal goes to BK Ramodu Nageshwar Rao Guduru ji. Come on stage, running and rushing. Come on.
India champion!
And to present the
Yay!
award, may I please request Shri CP sir, CP Purohit ji to come forward and present Shri CP Purohit ji बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करते हुए और मेडल्स प्रदान करते हुए. BK Ramodu ji and Nageshwar Rao Guduru ji.
From India.
आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Many congratulations. And in this category also, we just have the gold medal that goes to BK Ramodu ji and Nageshwar Rao Guduru ji. Once again, everyone.
ज़्यादा दूर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी.
And to present the medals, may I please request Shri राजकुमार जी, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ श्रीलंका योगासना, आपकी जोरदार तालियों के बीच. और देखिए, जब आप इनको दोबारा यहाँ देख रहे हैं तो आपकी तालियां भी दुगनी आनी चाहिए. 1 2 3, come on everyone. Respect and honor to Rajkumar ji, may I please invite Dr. Jaideep Arya ji.
घड़ी को
Many congratulations to all the winners जिन्हें आज यहाँ पर ब्रॉन्ज गोल्ड या सिल्वर मेडल मिला है और जिन लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां आनी चाहिए.
Senior IPS officer.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today. और इसी के साथ हमारी मेडल सेरेमनी आज के लिए समाप्त होती है.